in the jump. Top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I fit it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady.
Hey my loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. What's up, y'all? We got inches. Yes, sis. So if you want to get the deets on Outre Lace Arlena, don't you go nowhere, y'all. Make sure first that you are subscribed. You officially become a part of the fam when you just press that subscribe button. Girl, it's free 99, don't cost you a thing. Go ahead and do that real quick. Don't forget to tap that alert bell while you're at it so you will not miss out on any of our uploads or fun that we have up over this way. Okay? So, all right, y'all, let's get into this video. Hey, love. So today's video is on Outre Lace Front Wig Arlena. In a DR 2730. She is a HD transparent lace front wig. I love the color, it's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, we are working with curls in inches, okay? Inches for days, okay? Can't even see my ruffles, I got so much hair. So, yeah, she is high-tech, heat-resistant fiber, pre-plucked lace party, natural baby hairs in the front and everything. I did trim just a few down to do my little swoops in the front, y'all. Ow. Yeah, y'all feel me? But she do come in a lot of colors. These are the colors that her come in. She comes in these colors right here. Can y'all see that? In terms of the texture, she is not like super silky. I did get some shedding while styling, y'all. Dealing with this length and this type of curl, you are bound to get some shedding, especially with the synthetic unit. Yeah, so she's heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, y'all. Again, I have a DR 2730. But yeah, she has a center part. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all like how I styled this chick and whatnot. Let me show you what she looks like on the model. Right here, bam. And right here on your girl, LAL. This is how she is looking on your girl, right here. You heard me? Yes, y'all. So, hold on, let me go get over in this side. Y'all see? So, and the curls can kind of clump together a little bit. So she's one of those ones that you're going to want to run your fingers through, separate the curls. Make sure you have your brush and everything to keep her detangled throughout the day, sis. Yes, but she is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. You do want to use some type of wig control spray like I did. I did use wax to hold down the flyaways to make it lay really flat at the top without having to apply heat. You can, you know, use your curling wand if you want to just use your curling wand to press her flat at the top. I'm getting a little bit of strands of shedding now. Just from kind of putting my fingers through her a little bit. But she is very, 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 very cute. She is very celebrity-esque in my opinion. This girl Arlena ain't playing, okay? You better ask somebody, baby, baby. So y'all, I'm gonna show you how I styled her. Let y'all vibe to the music, you know what I'm saying? And you know how we do. I'm gonna show you the pictures at the end. So sit tight, don't you go nowhere, girls. And mis amores, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Y'all mingle down with me in the comments. All the info, as always, is in the description section for y'all cuties. All right, dolls. So I'm gonna catch you later. Enjoy the rest of the video. I really appreciate y'all tuning in to my channel. And I'm gonna catch you next time. So let's check out how your girl styled her. And y'all, I'm off today. I'm gonna be tired as crap tomorrow. But I had to get in another video for y'all. So this is like the best time for me to film. But let's get into the rest of the video, y'all. Enough of my blabbing.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus,